In this video, I will show you how to connect GoDaddy domain to Big Cartel. In order to do that, what we can do is we can just put in here the domain that we want to add to Big Cartel and then search if that domain is available. Now, from in there, you can just search for that domain, and in here you can choose that domain from this list. It can be .com, .ai, .one, or anything from this. I'll choose in here this .store. Just click on this plus icon right here. After you have done that, this will actually add this to your cart. Click on continue option, and then it will show you the domain protection. Just choose your domain protection and click on continue, and then from in there you can see the payment or checkout info. So just purchase the domain, and once you have owned a domain, just head over right here to Big Cartel, and then from in there you can see this. So what we can do is we can head over right here to our account, and then you can see your shop URL. What we can do is we can add a custom domain. Just click on this add a custom domain option. But as you can see, it needs your own brand for this one. Just click on this upgrade now option. And once you have done that, it will show you the Stripe checkout for the monthly payment or subscription to Big Cartel. And once you have bought that monthly subscription, you can connect your own domain.